Welcome to the University Hospital of Marburg, your health in safe hands. The diagnosis of a serious illness can be life-changing. Our work is defined not only by professional and scientific excellence, but by empathy for each patient, with all their worries and concerns. We treat the patient, not the disease. And that's what our specialists in Marburg do, with outstanding expertise and absolute conviction, to the highest medical standards. We're driven by the desire to progress, to keep going, to be better in the fight against the disease. This search for knowledge and understanding has a centuries-long tradition here in Marburg. Marburg has one of the oldest university hospitals in Europe. Specialists across 40 departments work as an interdisciplinary team in all fields, including cardiology, neurology, urology, orthopedics, and oncology. Whether routine checkup or a specific treatment, our specialists at the University Hospital of Marburg are dedicated to providing the best guidance, consultation, advice, and care to every patient.
The Department of Urology in Marburg treats all types of urologic diseases, with emphasis on tumor surgery, oncologic urology, including medication-based tumor treatment, and urologic chemotherapy. Other specialties include endourologic procedures, especially for treatment of prostate and bladder cancer, urinary stones, and tumors of the upper urinary tract. We also offer pediatric urology and gynecologic urology. The Department of Urology has a robotic unit with a Da Vinci robot for reconstructive procedures and prostate surgery, especially for nerve-sparing radical prostatectomy. As a less traumatic, minimally invasive treatment, it leads to better patient recovery and outcomes. At the Department of Cardiology, we treat cardiac arrhythmias, heart valve diseases, congestive heart failure, and circulatory problems in the legs or heart. Our innovative therapies for treatment of cardiac arrhythmias or for aortic valve replacement or coronary interventions can only be applied using sophisticated techniques. Thanks to long-standing industrial partnerships, we are in the fortunate position to offer the newest versions of high-end CT, MRI, and angiographic equipment. The Department of Neurology has 4 main areas of expertise. Firstly, we treat stroke patients, with focus on the recovery of functions after a stroke. A second area of expertise is patients with Parkinson's disease and other types of movement disorders. In this area, we are the only center of excellence of the American Parkinson's Foundation in Europe. A third important group are patients with epilepsy. At the Epilepsy Center Hessen, we treat patients with epilepsy with conservative therapies, from the initial diagnosis through to their preparation for potential surgery. Last but not least, many patients in the Department of Neurology have inflammatory diseases of the nervous system, such as multiple sclerosis. Our department is committed to exploring new ways in patient care and in specific patient-based treatments to provide our patients with the best possible treatment and to achieve a good quality of life for longer. The main focus of the Department of Gynecology in Marburg is on gyno-oncology. This includes the treatment of breast cancer and gynecologic tumors, especially ovarian cancer and other genital diseases. There are a number of new approaches we can use in the treatment of breast cancer. We can offer intraoperative radiation therapy as a single-session treatment administered into the tumor bed during the surgical procedure. This means that patients in certain cases can leave the hospital cured, with little need to undergo follow-up treatment. We also offer the full spectrum of surgical techniques, including robotic and endoscopic surgery, as well as open surgery options.
Here in Marburg, we are actually in the unique position to offer all modern methods and techniques used in radiotherapy. From proton radiation with stereotactic radiosurgery, modern IMRT and IGRT, through to photon therapy with linear accelerators. A further option is the possibility of brachytherapy, a form of internal radiation therapy. Intraoperative radiation therapy is another specialty, where we work in a team with gynecology specialists to apply radiation directly to the tumor site during surgery. Last but not least, we have the option of a treatment that is available at only 7 centers worldwide, namely particle therapy with protons and heavy ions.
The Center for Orthopedic and Trauma Surgery here in Marburg is unique in that we are one of only a few university hospitals in Germany to cover the whole field of orthopedic and trauma surgery. In concrete terms, this means that every aspect of our specialty, from pediatric orthopedics to specific hand and foot surgery, sports traumatology, shoulder surgery, endoprosthesis, orthogeriatrics and spine surgery, are delivered at the highest university level. We are also unique in our pursuit of and research into potentially less traumatic, minimally invasive approaches, especially to complex surgical interventions necessary to repair traumatic injuries and diseases.
The University Hospital of Marburg enjoys worldwide recognition as a center of excellence, ranking at the top of German hospitals. We stand for patient welfare, expertise and progress. As a state-of-the-art medical facility equipped with world-leading technology and offering the latest scientific treatment methods, your health is our ultimate goal. Your trust and well-being are the basis of all our work.
My name is Bilal El-Zayat. I live in Marburg and have Arab roots. My father is Egyptian, my mother is German. Marburg is a mid-sized town with a rich history in central Germany. Close to Frankfurt Airport, we're set in an area of outstanding natural beauty. The town is not overcrowded, very green, and surrounded by trees and woodland. In terms of medical expertise, I believe that our university hospital has a very high standard of excellence among university hospitals in Germany, also where hygienic standards are concerned. We have a focus on Arab patients because of the numerous Arab doctors working here in almost every discipline, including anesthesia, cardiac surgery, internal medicine, general surgery, trauma surgery, and orthopedics. Our Arab-speaking doctors have a better understanding of the specific language and cultural issues of our patients from the Arab region. As part of the Welcome Office at the University Hospital of Marburg, I will help and assist Arab patients in all aspects.
Visit one of the largest and most innovative hospitals in Germany. Entrust yourself to our care. Welcome to the University Hospital of Marburg.